The Sea Results Sample Routine for Normal Sensitive Skin Types. This kit comes with 7 sample products to try. The Ocean Botanical Sea Foam Cleansing Concentrate. Gently massage onto damp skin, then rinse off with water. The Sea Splash Toning Essence. After cleansing, gently massage upward over face, neck, and décolletage until absorbed. The Iridia Exfoliator. Apply a small amount on clean, damp skin using circular upward motions. Rinse off with water or a wet cloth. The Iridia Bioactive Mask. Massage onto damp, clean skin using circular upward motions. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with water or a wet cloth. The Eye Sea Relief Serum. After cleansing, apply to the eye area over the frown lines and crow's feet. Lightly pat the under eye area until absorbed. The Wild Sun-Dried Seaweed Eye Chemois. Keep under the eye for 15 to 20 minutes. The Ocean Botanical Sea Kelp Softening Facial Moisturizer. After cleansing and toning, gently massage upward over face, neck, and décolletage until absorbed. Can be used morning and night.